Hello, Sagar. Good afternoon.
Hello, Sakshi. Good afternoon.
So, what about your day? How is it going on?
My day is going very smooth. What about
Uh,
you?
yeah, it's also going well. But before we dive into this conversation, I want you to introduce yourself so that people can know you well.
My name is Sagar Sen and I'm from Gwalior. Currently, I'm pursuing BCom third year from Jivaji University and also pursuing for competitive exams. And yeah, it's all about me and also working for my English. Yeah, that is all about me.
Okay, thank you. So, I want you to that what are you going nowadays? What are you doing nowadays for improvement of your English?
For improvement of my English, I am not making a lot of efforts. It's not like that. I am just taking only one or two sessions or casual just English conversation or any nothing else.
What about your hobbies? What do you like to do?
My hobbies are there are a number of hobbies, but like I love to do traveling and watching movies and reading books. That recently I have read one book that is Ikigai. I love to read book. First time I have read that book first time, and from that time it became my hobby.
Oh, wow. I'm
Yeah.
very glad to hear this from you.
Yes.
So I want to ask you some hypothetical question, okay? So you have
Yeah.
to give me answer according to your opinion, whatever you think about that. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. So tell me, according to you, what is the thing that parents should learn from our childrens, from their childrens? Most of as a children, we learn a lot of things from our parents, right? But what are some things that parents should learn from us, according to you?
According to me, what parents should learn from us? Yeah. Like according to me. I think nowadays children are very extrovert and very like open-minded persons. So like parents should learn that all things that sometimes if we are going outside, so we should know that parents should know that now children is like now children has grown up and he can manage all the things. Like at least parents should have belief on their children. So I think that should be done.
Okay. So if I ask you that your parents should learn something from you, what is your quality and attribute that you feel they should learn from you?
I think I don't have the like any quality that my parents should love, but yeah, I love my parents' quality very
Mhm.
much because they love me and they love my qualities, all qualities. Even I don't have any quality, still they love me. So I don't have any quality to share. But yeah, there are a number of qualities that my parents have has so that I love a lot. Like my parents gave me freedom, full freedom that yeah, whatever you want to do, just do it. No boundaries, no nothing, anything. But your intention should be pure, and yeah, your intention should be pure. That you are whatever you are doing with your pure intention, and nothing is wrong. You are doing. It should not be like that.
Hmm. Right. Fine. One more thing that I want to ask you from you that according to you, what is the greatest challenge that our generation is facing nowadays? We know that if you talk about this youth and our parents' time, so that time has completely changed, right? Their young age was not like that we are living. So, according to you, what are some things or what are some challenges that we are facing and our parents never faced this thing?
Challenges like mostly the teenagers and our generation is facing career challenges. Like most of the persons are very confused about their career, that what he has to do, and no one knows, and he don't have that much good guidance also. The person
Right.
like most of the persons don't have. So that is the challenge we our generation is facing, and one more challenge is very like we can say it's very huge challenge for our generation. It is like because of unnecessary depression or overthinking. Everyone is facing challenge. So like we should our generation should not take that much depression, and we should not our generation should not think over the everything like you are thinking a lot on a single thing, like we can say overthinking we should not do. So this
Mhm.
challenge our generation is facing a lot, and I know some persons, those who are like closely, so they are facing this challenge. So if they can face that challenge, and like they can conquer that challenge, they can conquer everything. If they don't have any depression, anxiety, and anything.
Mhm. Okay. So I do agree with your both points. First thing you have shared a career challenge, right? If I go back few years back, so it was not that much difficult to get any job and to find any job, right? But in this generation, competition is very high. It has increased completely, right? This even it is emerging day by day. So
Yes,
yes, it is the greatest challenge that our generation is facing, of course. So of course, if we want to overcome that, we have to work on our skills, and there is a lot of competition is there. And the second thing that you have talked about, anxiety and depression, so that is very common. It has, it has become so common in today's era.
yes,
Everyone
it
is,
our
yeah,
generation
everyone.
common.
Sorry.
In our generation it became too common that depression and anxiety, everyone is in depression on small single things, or like on simple things, for the simple things everyone is in depression, everyone is thinking a lot, like overthinking. So we should not
Yes,
think
true.
too.
And I want to know from you that do you face sometimes anxiety and depression kind of things? Actually, depression is a very big word. I don't want to use that here, but stress. Do you face stress, or if you face, then how do you overcome that? What do you do?
First thing is that most of the time I also feel stress, and that what I am doing, that whatever I am doing, is it working or it will work or not. Sometimes I think like that, and whatever I have dreams and I have to pursue, I am able to that or not. That kind of things everyone think, but I overcome that. Sometimes what I think that I have to do competitive exams uh, preparation, so I think that there are like a lot competition, how will I uh, crack any exam and everything. So that time I feel stress, and I think that everyone is preparing, and everyone is giving their best, so I should also give my best. At least I should try once. Doesn't
Right.
matter I will be fail or not, but I should try once. So I overcome
Hmm.
like I just explain myself. So I don't take
Okay.
any anxiety.
Okay. That means you can motivate yourself,
Yeah,
right? Others. You don't need any outer motivation or temporary motivation,
yeah.
right?
But sometimes I reels motivation also that help me a lot. So sometimes I take, like whenever I get time, so I just scroll reels, and not any dancing reels or anything. Sometimes I read quotes. Sometimes I read motivation lines. That there are a number of motivational lines we see on the Instagram.
Would you like to share any motivational line or quote here?
Yeah, that one motivation line is I made, or I some from somewhere I have read that always remember why did you start.
Mm-hmm. Always remember. And
Why did you start? If you are
okay.
just doing something, and yeah, like in middle of pursuing something you are feeling demotivated, and you think like sometimes we do questions to ourselves that what I am doing, am I making that much efforts or not, and what will happen now, now what is this, what will happen, what will I get or nothing. So we should not think like that much. Always remember that time what did you think when you were about to pursue anything. So that's why I believe in this, that always remember why did you start.
Wow, that's too good, and I do agree with this thing, and I also firmly believe that when you have started something, so irrespective of the result and people's opinion, we should end up whatever we want to do. We should not end up with the just saying and giving excuses. So yeah, that's too good, and it has charged me a lot.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, so by the end of this conversation, I want to know some vocab. Would you like to tell me? If you know, you can answer me. Otherwise, I will tell you. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So, what is the meaning of commendable?
Commendable.
Commendable.
It
Right.
means that something that is appreciative, that
Great.
if you are doing something, so we should or at least comment, good comment.
Mm,
Is it?
commendable.
Right.
You are saying.
Yeah, I just just say I don't know about too much about it.
No, you are absolutely right. Commendable means something is appreciable when you have done something good. So then we
Yeah.
can say commendable.
Thank you.
You have to pat yourself.
Yeah.
Mhm. What is the meaning of emerging? Emerging,
Emerging.
right?
Emerging.
EING, emerging.
Emerging means maybe merging two things in a one place, two thoughts in one thing. No,
Emerging means something is growing. So that for that we can say emerging.
something is growing, so that is emerging. Okay. Thank you. That I got new word today.
Okay. So what do you understand by this is an idiom? Okay. So you have to tell me once in a blue moon. What do you understand by hearing this?
Once in a blue moon. Okay, once in a blue moon. Like something that is happened uh, somewhere at first time.
Not first time, but very rarely or after some times. For
Like
people,
we,
we say it has become a once in a blue moon. In Hindi, we say Eid ka chand, right?
yeah,
You must in Hindi
yeah. So it means rarely. I can say I talk to you once in a blue moon. Like
in a
this.
blue moon.
Yeah.
Mm. And over the moon, what is the meaning of this over the moon?
Over the moon, maybe we use for showing our happiness that I am.
Right. Right. When you are extremely happy,
Yeah.
then you can use I'm over the moon. So yes, I'm over the moon to have this conversation with you, and it
Yeah.
was commendable to date.
I am also feeling grateful for this conversation because my video is coming on your channel, so it's I am very privileged. So thank you very much to approaching me, and I'm very happy today.
Yeah, I'm also very happy. Okay. Have a good day. Thank you for joining.
Yeah, have a good day.